Hello doctors. Today I'm going to talk about teachers. There are some good teachers, there are some bad, and there are some ugly teachers, and mixed of all these characters. And today I'm going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Today is September 25th. 20 साल पहले I got a story to tell you. That is, in the year of 1999, my father left me. He was the bestest teacher for me ever. At that time, 25th September 1999, I was in my clinic, in my minor OT, doing a minor procedure. We call it a punch elevation. Some people call that as punch flotation. So we coined our own name, punch elevation. So punch elevation is a process where you lift the skin, scar tissue, and lift a needle underneath and keep it for 10 minutes and remove it. So I was doing that procedure, then I heard a knock at the door. Then my assistant opened the door. Then they informed me I got a call from my home telling that my father is not feeling well. Then I said, okay, I'm doing this procedure. I'll finish it off in 10 minutes. I'll come by. Then few minutes passed. I restarted doing the procedure. Something struck me. My gut feeling. I always believe in my gut feeling. I had the feeling that something terrible is happening. So I told my assistant to take over the procedure. I told the patient that nothing is left now, only the thing is that we have to remove the needle. Then I drove myself to my home. Then I could see my father laying on the floor and my brothers were there around. I could feel he's not feeling really well. So he can't walk. So we carried him, my brothers and myself. We carried him all the way to the hospital because the hospital was nearby. That's where I used to work, in the ICU. So directly I took him, myself along with my brothers, took him to the ICU and talked to the physician there. And I asked him, why don't we start streptokinase, sir? Then he said, there are some procedures. Okay, of course, everybody knows that. I still believe that we have lost some time there. I don't know. Okay. Then I talked to my father. He was not able to talk. And again I asked him, Uppa, ninakku entha vende? That means, Father, what do you want? And he was groaning. Then he said, I don't want anything. Then, seeing my condition, the physicians and the head nurse, they asked me to step aside for a while. Then I came out of the ICU. It was crowded there outside with bystanders. I usually don't like the bystander crowding outside the ICU. So I myself tell all the bystanders to go away. So I didn't want to stand in that way, so I just ran to my house, to my bedroom. Everything was a blur. I couldn't see anything. When I reached home, my mother and other women folks called out to me and asked me what's happening. And I told them, time will tell. Then I was sitting in the bedroom and I was totally restless. Again, my gut feeling. Then I ran to the hospital. When I reached there, it was all over. That was the year 1999, September 25th. So he was my bestest teacher. He taught me a lot. He taught me about honesty. He taught me about the values of life, the core values. He also asked me to be transparent all the time. Whatever happens to you, be transparent, be honest, and keep ethics and integrity. He was a very soft spoken person. We never talk much. Just like me, you also don't talk much. Whenever we talk, then there'll be some significance in it. So now today I'm going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly teachers. Let's check the types of teachers. Here, there are the good, the bad, and the ugly, and there are mixed characters. Some of them will have all these characters together. As we say, nobody can be perfect, and everybody, about me I can say I'm nowhere near perfect. Okay, this is the different good, bad, and ugly hats. Okay. Now, what are the characters of the bad teachers? This is their focus. Their focus is always on fame. They want to be in the limelight all the time. And second characters of the bad teachers are all hypes. While presenting, while taking class, it will be all hypes. And they will tell all the half truths. There is another bad character of a bad teacher. And they change their ideas, their mission, according to their pockets. That's another bad character. And other one is they think, they feel that they know it all. They don't listen to others. They think they know everything. So they won't ask their others' opinion. They decide and they put into action. And this is another bad character of them. Me first. Me, me, me. After that, everybody comes. First is me. They always put themselves first. And this is another thing. They are non-coherent because there is no space, phase, or time for them. That their ideas are different. Their ideas are non-collimated. It's not parallel. Their ideas will be like, it'll go here and there. Then that will be taught to the students. And they don't have monochromatic. That is, they have multiple ideas. They will be full of ideas. There are some teachers, they have got full of ideas that will confuse the students. That is another bad character of the bad teacher. And let's check what are the ugly people. ugly teachers, they have got the most terrible personalities. Students won't like them. First of all, I myself don't like community classroom. I want to get learn from outside, going outside the campus and learn from there. Inside the classroom, it's not for me. I don't know about you. So there are very terrible characters, and their presentation will be boring, very boring, monotonous, and she will be talking about same thing all over again. Just like they have by hearted everything, there is no change in phrase, there is no change in words. Then another bad, ugly character is they feel lesson taught is lesson learned. When they take class, they think that everybody understood. So their job is over. They won't follow it up. That is the another character of ugly teacher. Then they are full of negativities. Negativity spread from them. Wherever they walk, they will spread negativity. That is the ugliest character of the ugly doctor. Then money, money, money. Money comes first for them. That's the ugly teacher. And I don't have to tell you this. Bad and ugly teachers will never have any ethics, and they won't keep integrity. Now, the good. I kept the best for the last. The good teachers, they'll spread positivity. Wherever they walk, the positivity will spread along with them. That will encourage the students. They are good teachers and they are good learners. They are good patients. They will be honest. They will be more focused. And they know how to mingle with the students. They will have empathic approach. And they will be very, very kind. These are the best characters of a good teacher. I had many teachers like that, especially in KMC Manipal. Not for only there. Wherever I studied, I met so many good teachers. So these are the characteristics of good teachers. First, the service. Okay, service comes first for them. So for the good teacher, service comes first. They are consistent. That's very important. They are very consistent. They have got real clear vision about the future. And they have got in-depth knowledge of the subjects. The knowledge will be very deep. Okay, for every subject what they are taking, they have got in-depth knowledge of the subject. Now, they believe in see one, do one, and teach one. That's what. Learn, practice, and share the knowledge. That's what they believe in. This is the best of the character of a good teacher. I'll tell you this. And we try to follow this. And as I said, they spread positivity around. Even if you are down, when they start talking, that positive vibration will come out from them. That's the best part of a good teacher. Okay, wherever you reach, always remember where they came from. That's another thing. You might have reached high top level, but never forget where you came from. That is very, very important. Some people tend to forget their past, how they came up. So this is very, very important. Always remember where you are coming from, where you came from. I don't have to talk much about this. We have to keep ethical thinking and we have to keep integrity. That is the fundamentals of all success. That's a sign of a good teacher. And that's all for today. I think you got something out of it, and today is very important day for me. And I want to say I'll come back with another interesting topic soon. Till then, take care of yourself and just go through this. Enjoy this.